Good day, fellow traders. So I'm basically going to share with you my bias on the GU today, and to see what we can do in this New York session, and if it continues pushing up, we want to grab as many pips as we can. So we can already establish from this price action here that we're in an uptrend. So I think everybody can see that. I don't need to explain further into that. And then we can already see now the price has been forming some zones and levels here, breaking them. So there was one created here on the 139.83, another one created here, and then we saw another one being created here, and of course the current high right up there. So what we can establish now is price has been basically moving in the typical nice formation, go up, back down into this level that it created, breaks it, goes all the way up beyond its resistance, creates another level here, comes back to retest the trend line, and then all the way up again. So I'm expecting it to do the same thing, come back, create a bit of a support here, and then bounce back up all the way to either this level where it just reached now or beyond. So that's basically what we're trying to establish and find a zone, or rather nice area of entry that we can take advantage of. So we've already established that we're going up. We never trade against the trend ever. You'll find good traders do that. Sometimes I try to do that. I just don't post those kind of ideas. Then we're going to switch down to the 1 hour to see what price action is doing in these zones. Find some good areas of minor support, and then once we are happy with that, we will find a nice area to enter and go up. So we can already establish now that we've got some nice areas here. So we've got this key support here, and then we've got this trend line here. And then we can also see now the price in this 30-minute or in this 1 hour has created a bit of a support. And you can see how this candle here basically rejected price action here. So we've got a number of buyers in this level here. So what we can safely say now is we are looking for a point in this area here. In this area we're looking for price to show us a bit of bullish behavior, and then we're gonna basically place a buy option, go long, targeting the area just hit right now. But I think some of you can also see that something is happening in this area here as well. So that could be our first TP actually, and then if price doesn't bounce on it, it will continue up, which is something that we want. And we also want to tighten our stop using this trend line and this new zone here as our support factors for placing our stop here. And then I'm going to switch back down to the 30-minute, and then on the 30-minute we can see now that price started getting bullish here. So now I'll probably use this candle as my support, and then I'd want to enter just above it, targeting this price level here and also this level here, where I probably adjust my position, hoping for an upside of course. But hey, the market doesn't care what you hope for, so let's leave that out. So yeah, so what price is most likely going to do, my position will trigger, and then it will either bounce here, come back to this key zones here, probably break it on it doesn't break it, that'll come back again to this level here, retrace, and probably pass through. Or it can be very aggressive and just completely blast through all the way. And we don't want to miss any of this action. Then again, the market is not our friend. Can probably come back up here, or can trigger our position, smash through all the way down. If it does this, our confidence is completely destroyed, so we'll probably wait for it to come back down up to another level of interest and either go down, and then we'll figure out if we want to take some short positions or not. Excuse the ugly drawings there, but you guys understand what I'm trying to do. So this is a 6RR position, and then probably place the usual signals that I do. If you're familiar with that channel, you'd have seen these in our free Telegram channel. Excuse me. So this is what we're looking at. One of my mentors was basically trying to get me to start tightening my stops and targeting bigger RRs, and that's what I've been doing lately, which I'm sharing with you guys. So we are profitable actually. I mean, today we hit a 1 to 6 RR twice, I think. 100 pips, 150 pips, and another 90 pips and a 40 pips. And yeah, the lot size is a bit large, so we could say it was a profitable day. So let's see what you can do with this GU.